Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. Hope you all would be doing fine. I have always been obsessed about traveling and exploring. I believe every place is unique for some reason or other. It's you who should look why it is unique because beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. Sometimes traveling comes with road trips which will remain with you till your last breath. This one is one such kind on NH27 which I covered from Lanka till Lumding. Road trip on this is one of the best because of the terrain and the forest surrounding on both sides of the road which gives unique experience every time I visit. Such experience also you can get when you cover from Puri till Konark, but being it is in coastal area, so you will get some different experience. Let's come to here. The sun rays falling on these trees on both sides of the road gives a soothing effect. But once I had been on this road during night, differing silence and stark darkness was prevailing all around. Our car's headlight and the sound were disturbing the normal atmosphere of the forest. But the disturbance also had a beauty because the reflection of the light on the reflector which were all around the road to make the traveler aware of the curve during night. Every beautiful thing comes with a cost. As this masterpiece have been done in this beautiful terrain and dense greenery forest, making it a landslide prone area, which you can see in this video in the later part. Since last 2 months, I have been to this road most of the days. One of the reasons for the frequent visit is that I started to learn drive car in these curved roads. The other reason is the beautiful forest on both sides of the road gives positive vibes and fills me with positive aura. As it is greenery here, it gives soothing effect and with sun rays it looks beautiful. This is one of those roads where you will not find many vehicles, so you can enjoy the sound of the forest and its denizens. Luckily, on one such trip during evening, we were able to spot a herd of elephants around 6. This one was my first encounter with untamed elephants in open. I have seen elephants in road which we like tamed one or in zoos. So that experience is something different from this. Among the 6 elephants, 3 were calf. These 3 made me realize how carefree they are when they are with their parents, the same way how we humans are with the presence of parents. I believe it is the same case with every animals because I have seen monkeys every day, almost every day when I am here in Lumding. So the mother, the security which she gives to the baby monkey is on other level. I think no one will dare to go near it when she is protecting her baby. So one of the elder elephant looked at me, but later they retreated. I tried to go near them, but they went back, and after a few minutes they disappeared in the dense forest. It was one of the best moments of my life. Nature teaches us with many valuable things. It is us who should be always ready to learn them. But you should remember there should not be any complacency while you are driving. Otherwise, it may lead to some problem. And when you are on road, you should take your own responsibility and be mature enough because prevention is better than cure. Luckily, I have been able to travel most of the states in India. It helped me to know the people and culture of different states and made me realize the diversity of the country which makes me feel proud. It has helped me to know my potential because more you travel, more you come to know about yourself. There have been some trips where I regret of going to that extent, but after reaching the goal, I feel satisfied of choosing that. Till now, what I felt is happiness comes when you achieve something which may remain for few moments and the other which lasts long. Traveling experiences are the latter one because they are unique and gives you values which remains with you. As I earlier said, this place is prone to landslide. From the local people, I came to know that 2 years back a landslide occurred on this spot where a truck went with it, but the work has not yet been completed, the restoration work till yet. The one which you can see in front of you is known as S curve and is quite famous among the locals. This is one of the spot where people used to come to take pictures and make videos. I have also come and climbed till a certain height and it is really beautiful. And you will find it interesting to drive because of the curves. But on 11th night there was a landslide. Yeah, this one. Luckily, no one got trapped with it, and the materials is being used on the before area like the landslide which had happened earlier. Now the work is going on a quite good pace. Hope it will be completed by like 5 to 6 months. As I have earlier said, no complacency while traveling. So it also meant hit her toe. The situation due to COVID is dangerous. So don't risk your life because you can enjoy traveling experiences only if you are alive. This road in between the jungle reminds me a poem of great Rudyard Kipling named Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. I state his poem. Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village though. He will not see me stopping here to watch its woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near. Between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year, he gives his harness bell a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sound, the sweep of easy wind and downy flake. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep. Not only this road, but the whole town Lumbing is filled with greenery. And the monkeys makes me feel connected to the nature. Is not one or two, is more than 100 monkeys who come every day on search of food. Make me realize it's late. Wake up. You have to do lot of things today. Coming to weather is quite unpredictable, as you can realize from the video, but it got one of the best weather whenever you come to Northeast, especially to this part. Take this path to enjoy the nature and stop near the woods for a while to listen the voice of nature, to listen the voice of the nature. All is well that ends well. As we have almost reached our destination. The weather have changed from heavy rain to a clear sky. Take the journey. Don't think of the hurdles because they are part of your life.